If you're experiencing login issues on your Temi 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A weak or unstable connection can prevent successful login attempts. Step 2. Restart the device. Power off your Temi 2026 and wait for a few seconds before turning it back on. This can help refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify login credentials. Double check your username and password for accuracy. Make sure there are no typos and that the correct case is used, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 4. Update the software. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset the device. If the previous steps do not work, consider performing a factory reset on your Temi 2026. This will restore the device to its original settings, but be sure to back up any important data beforehand. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on your Temi 2026. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.